For Mrs. Dolan and Miss Thornbury's HP biology class, it's to be watched September 22nd after you have read sections 4.3 and 4.4 in your text and completed your notes. And what we're going to do is a visual representation using a graphic organizer to differentiate between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. When you look at these two words, if you'll pay attention to the prefixes, it'll help you remember about the cells. Pro means before. So prokaryotes are cells that do not have a nucleus. It happens before the nucleus. EU means true. So these are cells with true nuclei. The kingdoms that are prokaryotic are archaea and eubacteria. The kingdoms that are eukaryotic are protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia. This Venn diagram is going to be used to show what structures they have in common, what structures are only found in prokaryotes, and what structures are found in eukaryotes. So when we look at the common area, we see the structures we always expect to find in a cell. Cytoplasm, a plasma membrane that some people call a cell membrane, but let's stick with plasma. DNA, it's genetic material, it's housed differently, but they still have it. And a cell wall, which of course in the eukaryotic cells will only be found in the fungi and the plantae. Then we look at this area, and the prokaryote doesn't have anything else. The only structures it has are the ones that are in common. And here we need to add ribosomes, because both of these have ribosomes in order to make proteins. In the eukaryotic structure cell, we have two words that are so important: membrane bound. The eukaryotic cell has a membrane bound nucleus. It's bound with a double membrane with pores to allow transport in and out. And then we have membrane bound organelles, like the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, please don't use Golgi bodies, lysosomes, peroxisomes, cytoskeleton, and vacuoles. Remember, tomorrow when you come to class, you will have an entrance card where you will need to explain the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes.